Hi guys, and welcome back to Classic Airsoft. Today I brought you the Beretta M92F chrome stainless version by Tokyo Marui. This Beretta is one of the old models from Tokyo Marui based on the old M92F or the Tactical Master. So the package is nicely made with the picture from the M9 in the stainless optic with, I think, hot grips. As you can see, that was the packaging. Let's open it up. So what's inside? We have the manual of the normal M92F military module. As I told you, this one is the old module with fixed top-up. So we have safety instructions, a warranty card, and some Tokyo Marui targets, as you can see here. So this package is a standard package that is or will be delivered with every Tokyo Marui GBB pistol. So then we have an invoice, I don't know the English term, a card if you want to send back the gun, but I don't want to do it. And here we have this pretty looking thing, the hop-up tag. And here it is. Underneath this piece of cardboard, we have a pack of Tokyo Marui 0.2 gram BBs. And as always, this extension thingies for the follower, that you can shoot the GBB without using BBs as a movie prop, or I don't know, for whatever reason you want. Then we have the typical unjamming rod, as well delivered with every Marui GBB. A pretty normal Tokyo Marui M9 magazine, but this time with the chrome finish and without markings on the left side. On the right side, oh sorry, no marks on the right side. On the left side we have 9mm para made in Japan. On the bottom it will say Tokyo Marui M92F military model. So that's basically exactly the same magazine as the magazines delivered with all the M9 M92F or Tactical Masters, so interchangeable with every Tokyo Marui gun based on the M92F platform. So let's get that baby out. As you can see, fingerprints everywhere. Yeah, you can't avoid that, because this nickel chrome finish from Tokyo Marui is really nice, and yeah, you can see every fingerprint. But if you want to remove it, a tip for me is use glass cleaner and a towel, spread over, wipe it, and done. You get every fingerprint away. So the finish is really nice. It's like, you see, it's like a mirror. You can see everything in it. The gun is like every Tokyo Marui or Japanese gun, handgun, out of plastic due to Japanese law that is not allowed to Japanese people to have handguns or airsoft guns out of metal. So it's out of plastic, but as you can see, is not looking cheap. Feels nice, has a nice weight to it. Overall, a really nice Beretta clone or Beretta airsoft gun. So what's out of metal? The disattach lever, the slide catch, ambidextrous safety lever, the hammer, the trigger, and the mag release button, as well as the 2 screws for the hand grip. So marking wise, we have a 9mm M9 military, MB a serial number, and as well the Beretta logo on the rubber grips. On the right side, Beretta logo on the rubber grips, ASGK, some proof marks. I don't know why here is a serial number engraved, but there is a serial number, as well as a US 9mm M9 Tokyo Marui Limited serial number and made in Japan. That's it marking wise. Oh no, on the top we have a stainless on the barrel. Then we have a red dot in the front side. So overall, a really nice looking gun. As I told you, it's based on the older Tokyo Marui M9 M92F modules. So this one is equipped with the fixed hop-up. I will show you how to disassemble the gun. It's pretty easy. Like on every M9 or Beretta, push this button, flip this lever 90 degrees, and you can pop off the slide. That's the firing mechanism in the lower frame, out of metal, screwed in. In the frame, like every Marui, here we have the slide, as you can see, without an hop-up dial. As I told you, that's with a fixed hop-up, the old Tokyo Marui version of this GBB gun, but that doesn't matter. For 0.2 gram BBs to 0.23 gram BBs, it will work perfectly with that hop-up fixed adjustment thingy. So that's no point for me for not buying this gun. Let's shoot it, or let's chrono it. For that we need our chronograph. So turn it on. Then we need some gas to fill the gun. Just line up the gas bottle with the valve. Fill it up until something from the liquid gas will come out. That indicates that the magazine is full. Then we fill it up with some BBs. I use 0.2 gram BBs for that. Just put it in from the top, or use the big cutout here on the bottom to just throw the BBs in. So let's shoot that guy. 245.7 FPS, 245, 245, 252.8, 252.1, 274.4, 274.8. So this gun shoots around 0.58 to 0.56 joule. Pretty nice for an old gun like this. Quite funny. Guys, I forgot something. This Beretta is double action gun like the real one, so you can cock the hammer and fire it, or just pressing the trigger by harder trigger press to cock the gun, and that's the gun firing. But now I show you the shooting like I promised before. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment, subscribe, hit the bell. See you next time.